Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to open download file in PC in a quick and easy way. So now let's get started. Step 1, open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on the taskbar or by pressing the Windows key plus E on your keyboard. File Explorer is where all your files and folders are stored, and it helps you quickly access downloaded items on your PC. Step 2, in File Explorer, click the Downloads folder from the left sidebar. This folder is the default location where most browsers save downloaded files, making it the easiest place to find what you just downloaded. Step 3, locate your downloaded file and double-click on it to open. Double-clicking launches the file using the appropriate program, allowing you to view documents, images, or install software. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.